So I'm here with Rosie and Vince. We just bought their 59 Fairlane. It's been Vince's car since day one. From what I understand, your dad bought it for you
Right.
back in the day.
Right.
Can you guys give us some history about the car?
Sure. This car was bought back in, I want to say 1963 or 64.
Yeah, around there,
That
close by.
that time of period. And we've had it all these years in the garage. We drove it down from North New Jersey. That's where we were. The bumper on this side of the car got a little messed up during the Newark riots, which makes it historical.
Which is pretty
That's
crazy.
the only body damage that we have on the
And
car.
my father got in a little accident because he got confused and they
Right.
blocked off the streets.
Right.
So,
So?
he got hit by some car. So he was up and, he was all upset.
Right.
He couldn't get in and walk the streets off.
Right.
Yeah.
And it was tough back then. It was tough
Very
back then.
tough back then. So, we bought this home and we fixed the car up while I was living in Bloomfield. It became my car. So my ex-husband and a friend fixed her up and we drove her down.
So how long has it been in the garage, Rosie?
I want to say anywhere between 42 to 45 years.
Wow.
We moved in the house in 1972 and that's when she got into the garage.
Wow. So this 59 and this, like other cars that sometimes we found, it's like a time capsule. It's been in the garage for 40 plus years, and as you can see,
It's all here.
with the exception of the dust, which is 40 something years of dust, it's a beautiful car and it's a eclectic car.
Yeah.
So, and I appreciate you letting us buy it and bringing it back to life, because that's what we
Appreciate you
do.
bringing it back to life. I'm so happy somebody like you is taking it.
Right, that's
Oh,
right.
my pleasure. So it was my pleasure, and thank you so much.
Thank you, James.
Thank you, Vince.
Thank you.